Question: why do all these talks occur in the same place? The past. About experiences that have already happened. Research that's done and dusted. I know all about these talks. I've given them from many a warm auditorium. But technology now allows me to offer something different. A talk that's less about talking and more about doing. And it happens in a place not constrained by four walls or comfy chairs. Antarctica. The subject is endurance and how to bend the rules to survive. I retrace the same treacherous journey Sir Ernest Shackleton endured when he saved the lives of his crew, and also answer the question, will I survive? So follow me and find out.
I'm Justin Packshaw, and I'm an adventurer.